In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy FPS issues and lag issues. So first thing you want to do is go to settings. Over here, you'll go and type graphics. Here you'll see advanced graphics. Make sure this is turned on. Next, go to device manager. Display adapters. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Click update and update them. You can also update them by clicking on NVIDIA. If you have, like, let's say NVIDIA or AMD, you'll have a specific software for each, and you can just go to driver and update manually. Once you do this, you want to go here and type in run. Then type %temp%. So here, select everything and then right click and delete. Then go to this PC, local C, Windows, prefetch, select everything, right click and delete. Now clean your desk by typing desk cleanup. Select everything and then click OK. And this should fix the issue.